Hello, this is Tux. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to turn your leftover rice around using this easy fried rice recipe. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. So the main ingredients for today's video include your leftover rice, some veggies and egg. And to top it up, I would be spicing my up with some shiitake mushroom. So first, I'm just going to run some water over my mushroom and dab with some clean kitchen paper towel. And I'm going to separate the stalk from the florets. I'm going to save the stalk for some soup recipe later. And after removing all the stalk, I'm going to thinly slice the florets. Now that the florets are all sliced, I'm going to steep into a pot of boiling water for just 1 minute. And I'm going to sieve out and then stir fry. And for stir frying, I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, some chicken seasoning, and chili flakes. Once my mushroom is ready, I'm going to proceed to frying my veggies. And for the veggies, I'm using mixed color paprika, onion, and carrots. To spice up your egg fried rice, you can also use some prawns if you have any at all. And as for spices, I'm just going to be using this Oriental Fried seasoning mix. Feel free to use any spice you have. And once this is ready, I'm going to set aside and proceed to the next step. And for my rice, I'm going to transfer into a bowl and add in my egg. And depending on the volume of your rice, you can use 2 to 3 eggs, but since my rice is kind of much, so I'm using 3 eggs. And here I'm going to rub in the egg into the rice. Once this is well combined, I'm going to start frying. Using the same pan I'll be using, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil, add my rice, then fry. Now that the fried rice is taking shape already, I'm going to add in my veggies and fry. And to add a bit of color, I'll be adding some green onions to heat. And if your rice is not salted, you can go ahead to add some salt and seasoning to heat. So what is your favorite ingredient or key ingredients when making egg fried rice? Let me know in the comment section. And if you are new on my channel, do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more yummy recipes and interesting video. Also, do not forget to like, share and comment. See you some other time with another yummy recipe.